Good day. Do you ever wonder what the birds are singing? What are they saying? They're just happy and joyful. They don't care what season it is. Winter, summer, spring. They just enjoy life. They're just singing of love, acceptance, joy. Life is beautiful. Life is joyful. Let's just enjoy ourselves. Let's just play. What makes us happy? He agrees. He wants you to know. What brings joy in your life? What makes you happy? I choose today to be happy. I choose today to live my life fully. I live today to surrender myself to the universe and life. I fully love and accept myself. I'm a beautiful soul. I am whole and complete. I love myself. I love myself. I forgive myself. I have done the best I could have done. I am love. I am joy. I choose to live with love and joy today. Love you all. Bye-bye.